morning friend, my name is Vishal and today we are going to talking about how to install the rack. It is the next video, it is a part of the series of the rack video. Now today we are going to discuss about how to prepare a node, how to prepare a eligible node for the rack installation. That's why I am doing this part. So now we can install some RPMs, set up the host file, kernel parameters, limitations, all these things we can install. Now see here RHEL DVD is here. Now I am going to install some packages as per Linux environment in which is Oracle is needed to the install 11G grid infrastructure. Now which is the packages? Now first we install the packages. Now we're going to edit the host file vi/etc/host. We're going to edit the entries. Now copy these contents, paste here. See here my 168.2 series for the public IPs. This is the rack 1, 01 is for the rack 1, 02 is rack 2, and the basis of public IPs I am going to create virtual IPs, VIP. Then in that basis I am going to create a scan IP. I am taking the three kinds scan IPs, 105, 106 and 107. It is a series is 2.105 like that. Then my one is a private IP, that's the name is series is 1.101, and this is the my name rack 1 dash private. And it is a mandatory thing is when we use the remote SAN, virtual SAN, in that cases we going to entry the open file previously we was created, the SAN storage is there. Now it is a mandatory entry to the host. Now I am close this and save this file and see the contents /etc/host. See all this entry is good and now next part is I'm going to add the group add or install. Now group add DBA, that's it. Then I add the user, primary groups and secondary groups. Now my primary groups is install and I use -G for the secondary group. And what is the user? User is Oracle. Now my user is created. Now I'm pass WD, set up the password for the Oracle. Now my password, that's it. Now password is set up. I'm going to create a directory mkdir /u01/app/oracle. Now I'm going to change the permission chmod -r777/u01. Change of ownership chowm-r oracle. Primary group is install, which is user 1. Now it is looking good. Now I'm jumps to the media RHEL. Then where it is my RPM is server. This is the see here all these RPMs Okay, now I close this, and I'm going to the install the some RPMs as per Linux platform Oracle introduced. Now see here all these RPMs, you can see carefully on. I'm not install the one by one, but I'm install all these components in one way. Now I copy all this. You can check all these components. Now I'm going to install. Now see, I'm paste here, only the paste here, it is going to be installed. Okay, it checking the this is the first, then component is second, it is going to check second component, compact lib, it is going to check all this. It can be checked. Some packages already installed, some missing packages installed. Okay, that's good, all the RPMs are installed. Now I'm going to edit vi/etc sys ctl dot config, sorry, sysctl dot config file, and adding the some kernel parameters here. And copy the kernel, this kernel parameter, this is the mandated kernel parameter. Why it is needed? The kernel parameter is really effect on your database, on your system. You can see in my watch my video for the kernel parameter. Now I'm paste here. Okay, that's it, that's good. Now I'm comment this line. Right, okay, it's looking good. Now I save the file and see the contents at etc sysctl.config. okay, right, okay, now it is looking good. Now I load the parameter /esbin. Now sysctl, sorry, sysctl equal e to the load the all the parameter into the system. Now I press enter. Okay, all this parameter was successfully, see here, all this parameter was successfully loaded. Now I'm going to edit /etc security limit config. Now see, I'm going to the end of the file. success is it is running on the system. This is decided with this file. So now I save the file and see the content using the cat command. It is looking good. Okay. Now I am save the file. Oh, sorry. Now I am going to the edit the ntpd file vi slash etc sysctl sorry sysconfig config ntpd. Now I'm going to edit. Now I am add the -x to synchronize the time. Sorry. -x here. Now I'm save the file. Okay. And see the content. Okay. This entry is successfully added. Now the next one is going to restart now. We're going to set up the VNC desktop and VNC now. vi slash etc sysctl sysconfig VNC servers. Now I edit. Okay, and remove the hash value for the it is commented. Now I am right here my username. My username is Oracle and use Oracle. Now my desktop I am doing the further lines. Okay, now I save this file. I am going to the Oracle user. And set up the VNC pass w VNC pass w. Now I will fill the password. Okay, that's it. And log out of the Oracle. Now I restart service VNC server restart. It is okay. It is not a start, so that's why it is failed. And it is going to okay. Now this use the this log file. Now we're going to check the this log file. See, it is use the port number 5902 and HTTP port number 5802. Okay, that's it. Now all this is looking good. Now I'm accessing the VNC. Now this here the IP address 192.168.1.101. My desktop is 2. Here we see here what is the desktop. Desktop number is 2. That's why I type here 2. Now I connect to the now and press the password. Like this. Need. Okay. That's it. Okay, now it's looking good. Now, okay, exit from here. Wait. Close the connection. Now the pre-installation part is over. Pre-installation RPMs and some additional components and limitations we was successfully installed and successfully created. Now in the next part we are going to discuss about how to configure esxi target, IQNs and Oracle ASM softwares. Right, now further I am installed the only the Oracle ASM software, only ASM software. Now create a PNSCP session and copy the ASM RPMs. Searching for the host. desktop, paste here. Okay. Now Oracle ASM lib and OSM Oracle support RPMs are successfully loaded into the system. I'll close this. Okay, now going to the desktop. Yes, see there. Now RPM hyphen UVH hyphen UVH Oracle ASM support. I'm going to the install. Now and Oracle ASM lib software I'm going to the install. Yes, it is successfully loaded. Okay, that's it. This is the part of this video. Now in next part we're going to discuss about esxi targets and install the ASM and configure the ASM for the right storage. Now thank you for the watching my video and keep touching with me. Thank you.